Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok password. And for this tutorial to work, you must be logged in to your TikTok account and you must know your password. Okay, so let's do that. So this is my TikTok app. Okay, and I'm logged in. And in order to change the password, I need to go to my profile. Okay, so you just need to tap on this profile icon, and after that you just need to tap on this three dots over here on this screen at the top right. Okay, and here we have this manage my account under account section. Okay, so just tap on that, and here we have this password section. Just tap on that, and you need to provide your current password. Let me type mine, and after that you just need to tap on this new password, the password that you want to give. So let me type mine, and you need to retype your new password again. And after you're done typing, you just need to tap on this this check mark. Okay, this button over here, just tap on that. You can see it's doing that and it's now changed. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily change your TikTok account password. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it.